Oh, first process, Alex is warming up this thing. And so what is it? Not too much that you burn, right? So, let's see. Okay. I cut a little bit into the plastic, sorry man. And obviously, after you open, it's not a single now. Oh, yeah, of course it broke, but this is the bed. Anyway, right? And yeah, and just go slowly. We can warm it up again because they're gonna pop. That glass is gonna. That could be obviously be the future phone tech, making our own new phone. So he's going around pretty good. Some of the glasses will pop. It's okay. They're small. He's going around pretty good. That thing up in the corners needs to be released. Okay, cool. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. He's coming. Yeah, see, that's just the glue. All right. Okay. All right. Voila. All right. Oh, voila.
What part's the part we need to keep?
So now, yeah, very nicely. Yeah, it's a little pop. It has the popping pressure thing. Okay. So now that's out. Now, okay, just move that thing out and the connections, right? You see, we cut through the connections to get here, right? Okay. All right. Keep everything clean. Does it?
It popped in. I heard
Okay.
it pop.
Then you have the cap. Yeah, you have the cap. Okay. Very nicely. Okay. It's pop. Okay. Very nicely. And whoa. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, nice. Wait. Is that self-adhesive? Life again. That was the bad one that Alex broke. Yeah. Okay. So how's your screen? Beautiful? Like new, huh? All right.
It works.
Make a phone call. Call me. Now I was just peeling the double-sided tape, and then okay, so you're gonna pull those tape out. You good?